In this video, we'll show you how to withdraw your money, your crypto from Binance to your Wise account. Of course, Wise doesn't support the cryptocurrencies, so you can't directly transfer Bitcoin, USDT, or any other cryptocurrency to your Wise account. But there is a method, and I'll show you in this video in details what you need to do to transfer money from Binance to your Wise account. So first of all, you need to log into your Binance account. So in this case, we are going to use P2P trading to withdraw money from Binance to Wise, and I will explain you what you need to do. You need to hover or trade in the top menu, and you need to go to the P2P. Right here, you need to click on sell because you're selling your crypto on Binance and you want to receive the money on your Wise account. So you need to go to the sale. Then you want to select the cryptocurrency you're going to sell. In most cases, most likely you have USDT. So let's choose USDT. After that, we need to select the currency we want to receive on Wise. So most likely you want USD, so I will choose USD. And after in the payment methods right here, we need to search for Wise and tick on the Wise. So as you can see, guys, there are a lot of exchangers who are making this exchange between Binance and Wise. So they have got different number of orders, different ratings, different duration time. So I suggest you to find the exchanger who has got a lot of orders with a good rating, for example, more than 98%, more than 99%. And also you need to look at the duration time. So in this case, for example, if you choose this exchanger, he will transfer the money to your Wise account in maximum 15 minutes. So he has got almost 100% rating. He has got more than 1,000 orders. So let's choose, for example, this one. You need to also look at the exchange rates. So I will choose this one. Click on sell USDT on the right side. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT you're planning to sell. In this case, the minimum is 200. So I will choose 205. And you will receive 204 USD on your Wise account. Then you need to click on this and select Wise as a payment method. You need to set up your Wise account details. And after that, you need to click on sell USDT. And as you can see, guys, he will send the money quickly within 1 to 3 minutes. So that's how you can transfer your money from Binance to Wise, guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.